Welcome to BotPenguin. So in today's video, I'm going to explain the use of single product and multi-product chat components in the chat flows for your WhatsApp bot. So this is my WhatsApp bot. Click on edit your chat flow, select a chat flow, and let's just see the use for single product first. So I have added this chat component here. So let's first understand what is the need of this chat component. So let's assume that the user has a very specific requirement and is asking from you or from the WhatsApp bot for the product recommendation. And you want to recommend one single product. For that, you can use this chat component and you can recommend one single product that you want to. So you can choose a message that will be displayed to the user. Then you can select the catalog that you have connected with your WhatsApp account. So currently I only have one catalog connected to my WhatsApp bot. So this is the one, and then I will select any one product that I want to show to the user. And then I'll select the next component that I want to show to my user. So what I'll do is, just to test this out, I'll select the single chat component if the user clicks on get started. And now let's just test it. How does it work? So I'll show you here. Okay, so let's click on get started. You see, as per my flow, this product was supposed to be recommended by the bot and it has done it. So I can click on the product. I can either go to the link for the website that you have posted here while creating the catalog, or I can add this product to the cart. So now it is added to the cart, and now I can click on the cart and make the purchase once you have added all your payment options. Currently, I don't have any, so there is no option to make the payment. So this is how you use the single product. And for example, the user types something like this, that I love it. So after this, whatever chat components are there in your chat flow, so they will continue to be how you have created your chat flow. So this is everything about the single product. So now let's just see what happens in the multi-product and how you can use it. So let's come back to our BotPenguin dashboard. This is my same chat flow. I have deleted the single product chat component. Now I will use the multi-product chat component. So in what case will you use the multi-product chat component? So if the user is asking for multiple product recommendations, or if he's not mentioning anything, but you still want to share all your best sellers with the user so that he has a variety of options to choose from. And if he likes something, he can add to cart and place the order. So in that case, what you'll do is, we'll do the same thing again. If the user clicks on get started, I want to trigger the next chat component, which is my multi-product chat component. And once you click here, this is your multi-product chat component. So you have to give a header. You can give something like bestseller collection and a footer. For example, like happy shopping. Okay. And now you can add the multiple products that you want to show to your user. So I'll just give fun example to you. I'm sorry, I did not select the catalog first. I'm sorry. So once you select the catalog and then you give a category title here, then so one product you've added. So let's add one more product. Okay, so these two products I have added currently for the reference. And the next message, I will select this one. Okay, so now let's just test it out. This is my WhatsApp. Okay, so I'll just restart the chat again. Okay, so this is the first message from the chat flow. Then I will click on here, get started. So this is my multi-product chat component. And if I click here, it will show all the products that you have put in your multi-product chat component. I had added two, so these two are showing to me. And if I click on any product, I can add it to cart. And this has been added to my cart, right? So this is how the multi-product chat component works, and both of the components can be used as per your business requirement. And that's it for today's video.